Hello guys, welcome back to Spot Aria channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to protect your tweet on Twitter for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the start. First, we go to the Twitter application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitter. And after that, you must go to the symbol in the upper of the left corner. And let's move to the settings and privacy. And the next, you can go to the privacy and safety. Click on. And click the audience and tagging. Okay, you can see the first step here to protect your tweets is only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. Okay, this is a rule for the protect your tweets, and how to do it, you can select away until has the blue one, and now your tweet is protected by Twitter. Okay, it's very simple way to do it. I think it's enough for how to protect your tweets on Android 4. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.